In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Asana app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Asana or just looking to set it up on a new device, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to get Asana up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if you're on a PC or a Mac, as the process is the same for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Once your browser is open, you're going to head straight to the Asana website. You can do this by typing asana.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Asana homepage, you'll find everything you need right there. Now that you've reached the Asana website, you'll see an option to download the app. Depending on your device, you can download the version that's perfect for Windows, Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Look for the prominent download option, which is typically highlighted on the main page, and click on it. Once you've clicked on the download option appropriate to your device, a new page will appear with a Download Now button. Click on this button to start downloading the installation file. At this point, your device may prompt you to confirm the download or ask where you want to save the file. If so, go ahead and confirm, choosing a location that's easy for you to access. With the file downloaded, it's time to install the app. Open the file you just downloaded and follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through the necessary steps to get the app installed on your device. It's quite straightforward, but you might be asked to agree to certain terms and conditions, so make sure to read them before proceeding. For those of you who prefer using browser extensions, here's an alternative method. Open your browser's Google Apps menu and click on the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Asana extension and look for the official Asana extension. Click on Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking on Add Extension. Once added, you can easily pin this extension to your browser for quick access, or even create a shortcut to launch it directly. And there you have it. Whether you opted to download the full application or add a browser extension, you now have Asana ready to use on your device. As you set up your projects and tasks, remember that Asana offers a wide range of features designed to improve your productivity and collaboration efforts, so take some time to explore all it has to offer. Thanks for tuning into this quick tutorial, and happy task managing with Asana.